it's Walker with Cali Bamboo. Welcome back to Bamboo How To. It's the weekend. I got my hashtag scruff going on, and in our last video I did an unboxing of a Cali Bamboo flooring sample that I bought on Amazon.com. And in this episode I'm going to take that sample and I'm going to make a triangle peg game out of it. Now, I was googling around the peg game terms and I couldn't find an actual name for this game. So if you guys know what this game is called, not just triangle peg game, write it in the comments and let me know, because I feel kind of foolish calling it the triangle peg game. But anyways, first thing we're going to do is we're going to use some masking tape and we're going to cover our nice sample with tape so that we keep it looking good as we work with it. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, if you guys stick around and watch to the end of this video, I'm gonna have a special offer, a special free offer for you at the end of the video. So stick around and see what that's all about. All right, so the first thing we'll do is we'll start getting some masking tape on this guy to protect it. I've decided I'm not going to do a pointy triangle. What I'm going to do is a triangle with flat corners like this. Now it's going to make it a little bit more tricky, but I think that that's a better design because it won't be like have any sharp edges or anything on it. So this is going to go something like this. All right, and there we go. Looks close enough. This doesn't look super straight, so maybe I'll just modify that a little bit. Actually, looks pretty good. All right, I just checked online, and this thing has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes by 5 holes, and then 3 holes in the middle. Let's try this. Dot, 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 dot. All right. All right, now I've got this hole punch. This thing's pretty cool. So there's my nice template. So now let's trace the template onto the sample. All right, and there we go. Guys, when using power tools, make sure you know how to operate them safely and wear protective goggles every time. One thing I want to do before we get started is give a shout out to Diablo saw blades. If you're going to be doing a bamboo flooring project, one thing people may not know is you're going to go through lots of saw blades, and Diablo is by far the best, and we recommend them. Just make sure you get one with lots of teeth like this one. The next thing I'm going to do is run this thing over the belt sander a little bit to give it a nice smooth edge on all the edges. I'm also going to do a little shout out for Deft Wood Finishes. It's really my favorite wood finish. I'm using the satin here, and I'm just going to spray the edges and give them a nice finished shine. And because this is fossilized bamboo, it's really dense and really hard. And as you're drilling the holes, your drill might want to move on you. So what I recommend is getting a nail and just tapping a little pilot hole exactly where you want. I mean, even the nail is starting to bend. All right, then we just drill until it touches the tape. All right, now that I got all the holes drilled, everything seems good. Last step is to remove this protective tape. All right, I just finished cutting all of my T's down, and now it's looking much better. And there it is. All right, so here's the completed triangle peg game. All right, now the free offer I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Okay, so if you've liked this video, please like it now. And if you like the video, and if you can come up with a better name than triangle peg game for this, by writing something in the comments, subscribing to the Cali Bamboo YouTube channel, and you private message me the color sample you want, I will send you a floor sample and a pack of tees to make your own triangle peg game. So let me know what this thing is called. Also, if you guys have better ideas about what to turn a flooring sample into, or what to do with your leftover flooring after your project, let me hear it in the comments below too. I want to see. Maybe I'll even make it. Maybe I'll even make that next. So thanks for watching this bamboo how-to, and as a little Easter egg here at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the solution to the game.